Hello guys, welcome back. So yeah, as in the last video, that is my Node.js mini project, I have committed to show you the how we can connect DB to the Express.js project. So yeah, let's begin. So regarding this, installing the Express and building the CRUD APIs that I have shown in my previous video, so you can go through it how this works. So yeah, in the last video we have maintained a array file where we consider it as a db, but in this video we'll be maintaining, connecting and maintaining the db. So how first step we'll be taking as how we can connect to the local mongo. So yeah, here I have maintained a db folder. So in that, let's create an mongodb.js file. So yeah, import mongoose from mongoose. For this you need to install a mongoose, that is npm install mongoose package. So yeah, let's connect to the local mongoose, but it should be present in our present system. That way it is of a local mongoose.connect. This is the syntax where you can follow the same. So mongodb of localhost. So this will be the url with a port. This is a default port for the mongo, and in that, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a db. So this is the url to connect the local db that is in my local system, uh, to create a connect to the nodekeeper db. Anyhow, if there is no db present, it will create the db. So yeah, in this, like, we are going to give some, provide some basic, you can call it as the middleware for this mongo, like parser kind of a thing. So you can surf in the google, you will be getting what these are used for. So unified topology, this is the one thing we need, basic thing we need. So yes, so yeah, this is the syntax where we can connect to the local in a, and if you want to maintain in some other ec2 instance mongo and connect, you can change the url accordingly, but for the beginner purpose local thing is the best. So after that, I am taking some promises out of it. So if it is connected, I am consoling the log as a mongodb connected. Okay, if not, catch the error out of it and console that one also. Okay, so yeah, what we did is now we have connected successfully. Now we are going to export default mongoose. So yeah, in the db file I have connected db folder, I have connected the mongoose successfully and exported it. So yeah, regarding all these naming convention, you can go through my previous video how express structure will be there and how we can build it. And regarding for the to use this mongo, we need some collection out of it where we can build maintain in a model. So yeah, let's build, generate a user model.js file. So yeah, in this file what we are going to do is build a schema out of it. So import mongoose. First we need to import the mongoose. Now this will be the user schema. So schema is nothing but you can call it as a simple words, you can call it as a collection. So how in express.js how we can build a schema out of it. Basically we are maintaining a key value pair. In mongo it will be a key value pair, as likewise in sql it is of a table. In here, like, it is a collection. So yes, for my local project, for the register page, I have taking sign up page, I am taking a name, mobile number and password as a inputs. So yeah, I need mobile number. Okay, so in mongo you can see what are the data types you can serve through google, how many data types are there and how we can use it. So this mobile number I want a unique. Okay, so these are the validations how we can maintain in the mongo, you can check it. And name, I don't want anything, just as it will be a data type of string. So another thing was the password. So password is of string. Okay, so for three fields, three keys, I maintained three key and value. So value I am going to give as well as the data type. Now another thing we want is created that to maintain the timestamp. Okay, so type will be the date format. So default what we can maintain is the current time. Okay, so this is the basic schema, but how to create a collection out of it. So const I'm going to give as a user. So yeah, check this syntax out. So mongoose.model as a inbuilt for a mongoose to create a model. So I'm going to give name as a user with the user schema. So that schema is this one. So what it will going to do is from the mongoose model it is going to create a collection as a user with the user schema of these key value pair. Okay, so export dot default user. Okay, and coming to this user.js, what I did was this user I have imported from the user model whichever I created, and whenever this sign up and sign in request comes, some queries I have written, that is a user model with a find one and create body. So yeah, let's see. Let's build invalid schema expected connection string out of MongoDB. Okay, so invalid schema, let's see, there is some issue thrown. So coming to this MongoDB, okay, my bad, MongoDB, it was Mongo, yes, sorry, yeah, now you can see MongoDB connected, it is throwing as a MongoDB connected, so there is no error out of it. So yeah, let's connect to the local Mongoose. Yeah, show dbs. Show db is a command where how many dbs are there. So yeah, you can see node keeper. So I have created a node keeper here and I can use. So this is the syntax for the Mongo terminal. You switch it to the node keeper. Now show collections, in the sense table as in a SQL. So yeah, you can see users. So users are also have been connected. Now let's see db dot users dot find. Okay, there is currently one record. Let's create another record and see is it working or no. So I'm going to give it as a Kiran and some random mobile number of the Kiran and some password out of it. So yeah, this is a my sign up page. So let's see the logs also. So yeah, now the request has been sent, successfully registered. Here we can see sign up request. So in the user whenever the sign up request comes, I have consoled it as a sign up request. So regarding this API flows and architecture of Express.js, you can follow my previous video, there I am explained. So yeah, or else no problem, just try to find out in this video and later on you can follow the previous video. So yeah, whenever the request comes, some user need to be created with this key value pairs. So yeah, let's see whether let's see whether the Kiran has been generated or no. I am going to give as the user dot point. Yeah, here you can see the new record of a user in the users collection of a nodekeeper DB has been collected. So yes, so in the same way you can delete the request. Let me show you. Yeah, here I have seen like add note. For the add note I am adding, for the delete note I am deleting. So these are the basic MongoDB queries from the Express.js, basically in the ORM level, like we can do. So yeah, you can go through that. But in this video, like as I have committed in the previous project video, I have just shown a simple way how to connect the Mongo and create the database and collection in it, and from the API's query how we can do the CRUD operations for the record. So yeah, you can follow this and implement this in your project. So yeah, that's it guys, thank you very much.